Hi guys, in the next few minutes I'm going to be as bold can be, and if you can't handle it, then tune away now. But I'm about to expose the real scammers, so stay tuned.
Do you feel the vibes?
All right guys, welcome back. My name is Mark Simmons. Again, Mark Simmons. If you've not taken a minute, actually, I'm probably going to quit saying that, but now if you've not subscribed to me by now, then you're probably never going to. If your life's too busy that you don't want to take a little bit of time to learn some and understand some life-changing events, then don't subscribe, don't follow me, continue to be left in the dark. But guys, again, my name is Mark Simmons. I am a real person. I am sitting in my office, as I've stated many videos before. As you can see in the backdrop behind me, we are in the process of moving, but I wanted to, I guess, be real with you today, help you to understand, is what you're doing a scam? Is what you're doing not a scam? So here's the reality, guys. You have been led to believe your entire life that if you take the path that's most traveled in life, then you're going to be good. Example, go to school, get good grades, go to college, get an education, get a 4-year degree, go get yourself a master's, 2, 3, 10 degrees, whatever you challenge yourself to get. And you go out and you try to find you a job. Guess what, guys? You've been scammed. You're already starting your life in mega debt. How in the hell are you going to pay for it? I don't know. You're going to have to work your entire life. So who just got scammed? It wasn't me. It was you. Guys, you can take that and you can run with it in any aspect of life. Any aspect in life. So let me ask you, our education system, scam. Our government, scam. Judicial, scam. Guys, who's getting scammed? So just because somebody doesn't want to take the same path, I love my parents to death, but I have been led to believe my entire freaking life that I have to take this way? No. No, not happening. Light bulb moment, light bulb went off for me, guys. I accept responsibility for me. I accept responsibility for what I want to achieve. I am not going to rely on you or freaking anybody else in my life to make that change for me. So guys, ask yourself, who's getting scammed? So what? You've got to pay a little bit of money for some education on how to change that direction. This is a $160 billion industry we're talking about here. There is plenty of money to go around. But yet, you have to take a little bit of money out of your pocket, invest in some education with this aspect of it, and yet it's a scam? Guys, that's what your friends are going to tell you. That's what your family's going to tell you. Your parents may even tell you that. Oh, you're being scammed. Because it's not the traditional way. It's not the way that we have been brought up our entire life to believe that you have to go work and bust your backside for 50, 60, 80 hours a week. Guys, you're being scammed. That's the real scam. So do me a favor. If you think this is a scam, don't subscribe. I don't need your assistance. I don't want your assistance. I don't really care if you leave me feedback or not. Watch this video, fast forward into the future, and watch who got scammed. Because you're still going to be paying off your student debt. You're still going to be paying off your mortgage. You're still going to be not living the dream that you want to live because you right there, you got scammed, not me. You, right there, over here, yes, you. You got scammed, not me. So guys, really think about what you're doing. You're paying a little bit of money for some education, not hundreds of thousands of dollars. Guys, there are so many different ways to make money. So the number one question I get from people that I know says, hey, so really, Mark, can you, how can I start an online business with no job? You can't. It takes money to make money, guys. This isn't rocket science. If you think that you're going to legitimately start a business with zero money out of your pocket, you fooled yourself. Bottom line. You fooled yourself. You have nobody to blame but yourself. Plain and simple. So how are you going to do it? You're going to get a job. You're going to save some money. You're going to put some money on a credit card. I don't care how you do it. Guys, that's the bottom line. Now, typically, I'm easy-go-lucky. But guys, at the end of the day, are you just going to settle? Are you going to think this is another, oh, I got scammed again? I mean, guys, think about it. You have a level of success that you want to achieve. You're here. You want to go here. There's a lot of freaking steps in the middle, folks. And in order to get here, you got to start here by having a job. You're not going to get anything for free. So what? You got to scrub a toilet. So what? You got to stock some shelf. Whatever it is that your job is. So what? Success will not happen overnight. You got to worry about not getting from here to here. You got to worry about how do I get from here to here, to here, to here, to here, to here. What happens is we get so overwhelmed and we want to stop. So stop thinking like that. Stop freaking thinking about the way that you've been taught your entire life. Take that path of least resistance. Take the path that people are scared of and they don't want to go. Because, oh my God, you got to work a little harder. And you're not going to get to binge watch Game of Thrones. Guys, that's the brutal truth. So ask yourself, who is scamming who? Remember, do something good for somebody today. Be good.
Do you feel the vibes? Do you feel the vibes?